cater to you. Let me cater to you. I wanna let you know, girl, that you know that I like what you do. I need to reassure you, you'll be purposely.
Y'all, let's get into the hair though. Let's get into the hair, y'all. So I got me some knotless braids to prepare for baby boy. As y'all can see, my hair is officially a week and a half old. One more week to my due date. I really think that baby boy is going to put me past my due date. But we'll see. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and get going because I gotta get started on dinner. So I'm gonna talk to y'all in a little bit. Deuces gang. Oh no, y'all thought I was done. If y'all want cooking with D videos, let me know. Cooking with J and D, if y'all want them, let me know. I will be vlogging a lot more and doing a lot of mommy content, and I'll take y'all along with me on my postpartum journey as well. So y'all stay tuned for that. We will be vlogging the birth, so y'all stay tuned. We got a lot in store for y'all. All right, y'all. So when you open the box, it'll look like this. It came protected in this pretty pink wrapping paper. So when you open the box, it comes like this. It says perishable on it. If you ever decide to get one of these, your name and your information will be at the top along with the company's name. And this box is basically to ship back to the company that sent you the kit. So basically, if you guys are pregnant and y'all plan on breastfeeding and all that good stuff, I'm trying to get back on my routine and everything. It says that, sorry about that, you guys. It says that encapsulating your placenta is really good. Oh my gosh, is the camera about to die? No way. But I'm gonna try to hurry up and show y'all and give y'all this unboxing real quick before the camera dies. I gotta open this up precisely because I have to mail it back. All right, so when you open up the box, this is what it will look like. Okay, you will get this big zip tie. You'll get instructions on what to do, eating your placenta, is it safe, and all that good stuff. And it tells you everything that's in the box. Okay, this is the kit itself, so this is what I'll be taking with me to the hospital. This is the kit. It's like a little cooler. I'm gonna open it. So you have 2 ice trays. I'm gonna put those, I'm gonna fill them up and put them in the freezer. You also have the Ziploc bag, this cover for this container in here. So, and a roll of tape, because you're gonna have to tape everything up. And of course, on the box it says Mommy Made Encapsulation. It has a cute little pink handle. Okay, so anyways, that's pretty much it. I will be taking all of this to the hospital with me, including this. The placenta will be inside of this right here. And the Ziploc bag, there's a Ziploc bag that comes in here as well. A couple Ziploc bags. And the zip tie I was telling y'all about. So that's pretty much everything that's in this. I'm going to fill these up with water and put them in my freezer, but I will not be taking these to the hospital with me. The only thing I will be taking to the hospital is the ice chest. I will also be taking this right here along with the cover. I will be taking this as well as this brochure to give him instructions on exactly what to do. I purchased the encapsulation kit, 3 flavors. I can't remember the 3 flavors I purchased. And I also purchased the umbilical cord keepsake as well as a drawing of my placenta. So those are the 3 things I'll be receiving back whenever I get my order and I have baby boy. We will also be dropping a video of the name reveal, so stay tuned for that. And I also told y'all the gender reveal video will be dropping as well. Y'all, we have so much in store for you guys. As y'all can see, mommy is ready, okay? Y'all see the plaits. Y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a update. I ain't trying to keep y'all too long because this was strictly an unboxing of the mommy made encapsulation. Y'all, I'm popping out of all the clothes. This is literally hubby's shirt. And y'all look. Damn! That your girl ain't pregnant, because I am. But anyways, y'all, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know I kind of rushed through it a little bit, but it's like nothing really to show. Like, it's pretty much self-explanatory. Y'all will probably get the aftermath, I guess, or another unboxing when I receive everything after he's born. But for now, this is all I have to show y'all. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. All right, and we're gonna check back in with y'all soon. In this clip, y'all are about to see mommy made encapsulation basically prep my placenta. So she's gonna dump it out the bag and rinse off all the blood. She's gonna apply some food coloring to my placenta to get a drawing of it on a poster board. After she does that, she's going to go ahead and basically put the placenta in like a dehydrator almost. And in the dehydrator, she's also gonna put some raw ginger and cayenne pepper. And that's basically gonna be in there for a couple hours or maybe even overnight. And then we got some steak strips and the umbilical cord. So she's gonna dip the umbilical cord in gold, and after that she's gonna go ahead and place the placenta into the grinder. Y'all are probably wondering, like, what's the purpose of the ginger and the cayenne? But it's basically to kind of hide the flavor. I chose 2 flavors. It was berry and blueberry, I believe. I can't really remember, but she's basically going to pour whatever was grinded. And now we have placenta pills. What it do, vlog? What it do, gang? Ooh, y'all can't see me. It's your girl DTG back with another video. Y'all look. No. Okay, fine. Y'all know she don't like being on camera. But you guys, I'm about to show y'all something. I actually have to pump, so I'm gonna make this really quick. So guess what I got today? It came in a pretty pink box, as y'all know. But I got a nice cute little letter. Hopefully y'all can see that. But anyways, y'all, I literally shipped out my placenta. Was it this week? Literally shipped out my placenta on Tuesday, and I already got some stuff back. So there's something in this box. I'm not quite sure what it is. Oh wow, this is his umbilical cord.
Oh my god! Wow!
Yes. So y'all, this is my baby's umbilical cord for my placenta. Oh my gosh. can still see some of it. Anyways, it says on the box, this umbilical cord belongs to, you can put the name in there. I didn't send them the name. So that's the umbilical cord. And the pills, these are the pills. This is the packaging, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. This is the box. I'm gonna open the box so y'all can see. So this is the dosage. Day 1 to 7, take 2 capsules 3 times a day. I'm past day 1 to 7. Day 8 to 15, take 1 capsule 3 times a day. Day 16 plus, take 1 to 2 capsules every morning as needed. So this is the dosage flyer. This is the benefits and stuff like that of using your placenta. It is a little card. Another little card. And then there's a pamphlet for you to bounce back from birth. And y'all, the packaging is so cute. Let me show y'all. This is, ooh, it come in a nice cute little bottle or whatever. So I ordered a strawberry flavor. I wanted it to be strawberry flavored, and I can't remember what the other flavor was, but I had picked 2 flavors because I didn't just want it to be beer. Anyways, this is what it looks like. It's sealed. It's a cute little bottle. Y'all can see that. Let me see what this pamphlet says. Everything you need to know about placenta encapsulation. Okay. Increase energy, increase milk supply, helps prevent baby blues and postpartum depression, replenish iron levels, reduce postnatal bleeding, reduce stress, return to pre-pregnancy size, faster healing and recovery from pregnancy. So step 1, the umbilical cord is removed from the placenta, and the placenta is rinsed and placed into a steamer with lemons, ginger, and cayenne pepper. Did watch that process. The placenta is cooked and steamed for 30 minutes at an interval temperature of 220 degrees to kill any possible bacteria, making it safe to consume. The placenta is cut into strips and placed into a dehydrator for 12 to 14 hours at a minimum of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. The dehydrated strips are placed in a glass blender and crushed into a fine powder. The placenta powder is placed into empty flavored gelatin capsules. The placenta capsules are placed into special mommy-made packaging with its own unique serial number. What? Oh, probably when they're preparing it. Okay, that makes sense. The pills are shipped to the mommy. Wow. I'm gonna update y'all on how this goes, whether I feel any of the benefits that they say. I also heard it's a hit or miss. I wanted to try it myself. So we will see. We shall see. I'm gonna put this in here. Close this box up. I'm gonna go ahead and open it now. I'm trying to make this quick because I'm over schedule. I have to go pump for my baby to eat. It got this silver tab on it. I'm gonna just open it. Oh, it does have a serial number. So it does have a serial number, you guys. Came in this little thing right here. the moment of truth. This smells like a placenta, y'all. I also want to say that when I open the I asked for it, right? When I open the pack, I open the packaging that I received, the box was cold. The box was cold, everything was cold. It felt like when I first delivered my placenta when it was ice cold. Y'all, I'm gonna have to stomach this up and yeah, cause I paid for it. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna go pump. I'm gonna catch up with y'all later. I'm gonna give y'all a update sometime, whenever. So yeah, deuces. When I originally received the placenta pill, they smelled like raw chicken, but I was consuming about 2 the first week, and then the following week it was just 1. My placenta pills lasted me up until, I want to say, 4 months postpartum. I received 120 capsules, so I want to say 4 months postpartum.
Walking with the what?